Hi everyone, my name is Chris Spay. For this episode, I am going to talk about 30 Seconds Before, the prequel to 30 Seconds. 30 Seconds is a romantic suspense, but 30 Seconds Before is pretty much just a suspense story and a crime story. There's no romance because Danny Hart, the doctor, the woman, the female, the heroine of Steel, she is not in 30 Seconds Before. Only Blake Herro, the officer, is in it, and the entire story from beginning to end is in his point of view. It is an exciting story. We get to see what happens before 30 Seconds takes place and exactly how my characters get into the mess that they are in the beginning of 30 Seconds. So for this episode, I'm going to talk about a secret in 30 Seconds Before. Previously, I discussed a handful of secrets for 30 Seconds, and you can see those videos if you check out my YouTube channel. But this one is actually really fun because there is a surprise character in 30 Seconds Before that readers of my disaster crime series might find exciting and fun because, he just pops up for one scene. He pops up and, a lot of, my readers for the disaster crime series might not have read 30 Seconds Before, but just knowing that one of their characters pops up in a scene, well, that could get them to want to read it. And I'm going to read you a little snippet to actually reveal who that character is. Blake took off the back of the prepaid cell phone as the three vehicles raced out of the parking lot. He inspected the battery and casings for signs of tampering. He didn't want a bug listening to him. Not finding anything, he removed his iPhone from the glove compartment and called someone he knew would still be at the police department working. Not his department, though. The Orlando Police Department. Detective Thorne. Thorne, it's Herro. Hey man, it's been a long time. Blake had crossed paths with Thorne many years ago when he was a rookie. They worked a 13-year-old girl's murder case and caught the murderer together, the girl's stepfather. Shortly after that, Thorne transferred to Florida. Now I'm going to stop it there because I don't want to reveal exactly why Blake is calling Thorne for help. You'll have to read 30 Seconds Before to find out. But now you know, Detective Thorne, one of my favorite characters from the disaster crime series, makes an appearance in 30 Seconds Before. And what's funny is in some of my other works that are, works in progress, I have some characters from the disaster crime series. They make appearances in these other stories. I don't know what it is with them. They don't want to be forgotten and left out of other stories, especially if the stories are set in Florida or anywhere close to them. I'm not even going to reveal anymore. I should just zip it because the stories aren't published yet. They're not even edited. I haven't even finished writing them yet. But trust me, one day you're going to read a book and a few of your favorite characters from the disaster crime series is going to be in it. And not just for one little scene, but popping up throughout. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little sneak peek into 30 Seconds Before and a sneak peek into some of my works where characters that you love and know will actually make appearances. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.